Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video, we will discuss about Python regular expression. So let's get started. Regular expressions, in short regex or regexp, are a powerful tool for pattern matching and text manipulation in Python. They allow you to define a search pattern and then find, match, or replace text based on that pattern. In Python, the re module provides support for regular expressions. Let's go through some common aspects of using regular expressions in Python. So here we will import the re module. Now we will see basic pattern matching. So let's execute it and see what happens. As you can see here, we found fox, because the word fox is inside the text. Now we will discuss about character classes, matches any one of the enclosed characters. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got cat as output. Now here we change S instead of C. Now we got sat as output. Now we will discuss about quantifiers. Now see here. The asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences. Plus matches 1 or more occurrences. Question mark matches 0 or 1 occurrences. M matches exactly M occurrences. M and N matches between M and N occurrences. Let's see the example. Here you can see match output. Now here we will change B plus C instead of A plus B. As you can see our output. Now we will discuss about anchor. The caret symbol matches the start of a string. Dollar symbol matches the end of a string. So let's execute it. Now we will discuss about groups and capturing. Now we will discuss about escape characters. Now we will discuss about substitution. Alright, these are just some basic examples to get you started with regular expressions in Python. Regular expressions can become complex, and it's often helpful to test them using online tools, like regex101.com to see how they match different inputs. Now we will see one last example. How to validate an email. Friends, our video for today was up to this. Thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video. Please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.